Good morning, Jacob.
We're starting the morning off pretty bad.
Why?
Because you're being disgusting.
Sophie's got the boarding pass.
Woo!
I'm ready. The old Beauchamp's libations.
All right, one sip. You know the rules. Oh, this is 10 times better. It's not the best. No, it's not.
Out of 5 or out of 10?
3.5. Actually, drink it.
Did I like?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. It's a 5 out
The
of 5.
mojito might not be the best.
Yeah,
but
we should just go
my
judge
God.
Bloody Marys.
Cheers, love.
Cheers.
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 Okay, guys, how are the oysters?
They're very good.
Very
It's a raw one for you.
Oyster sandwich 101. Oysters. Find the biggest oyster you can have. Plop it on your cracker. Cocktail sauce. Give her a healthy amount, not too much. You still want to taste the oyster.
This is how you eat an oyster like a man, Mitchell.
Take a little bit of your onion sauce. Just drizzle. Log goes a long way.
Very good. And we're back. Danielle won't buy me any pickled okra. Oh, so you can have popsicles, but I can't have pickled okra?
Yeah.
I would not let this guy watch my kids.
Just grab.
You cue the royalty-free music. Us Pollan boys know how to cook. Look, we're not completely worthless. Have you noticed yet? Oh! Gross!
What?
We're searching for our third mojito. First stop.
It's very hard. Nowhere has mojitos.
That's true. But we're hoping that Margaritaville will. And if they don't, I'll be very disappointed.
Margaritaville is closed.
Jimmy Buffett let us down.
He's going to leave off Jacob's mustache.
Alright, so that's the end result. Now we need a mojito.
That place didn't have a mojito.
No, nobody has a mojito.
This place is trash.
Alright, this is our last shot of the night. So far we've struck out, no mojitos, but we're at Vinny's full service bar at McGuire's Pub, correct?
We'll see.
Alright, so bad news. Vinny's full service bar at McGuire's also does not sell
Half
mojitos.
service bar. We learned that nowhere here does mojitos, so we got Moscow mules.
Yeah, we asked the bartender, do you do mojitos? And he's like, fuck.
Just like that.
It literally was just like that.